I no longer need to use moisturizers from the store. It has helped to awaken my dormant follicles that were not producing hair. And I'm saving so much more money from not being sucked in to the natural hair care marketing wheel. Hey lovely, welcome to my channel. My name is Selena and today I'm going to be giving you my top 5 DIY natural hair care products. Just to let you know that everything that I am mentioning to you today will be linked down below in the description. I've done videos on all of the things that I'm going to be mentioning to you today, so you will have your hands on the recipe and how to make these things for yourself as well, because I'm trying to make life a little bit easier for you. Let's get into the video. The very first DIY is my hair cleanser. I swear by and love my DIY hair cleanser. I've been using this cleanser now for, I want to say, about 8 months. At the time of me filming this video anyway, it's been about 8 months. So my cleanser consists of clays and herbs. You know, sometimes I'll switch things around a bit and I'll just use the herbs or I'll just use the clay on its own. But either way, this recipe has allowed for me to wash my hair as many times within the week as I would like. It does not strip my hair. It leaves my hair feeling so soft yet super clean, and I just wasn't getting that with a regular conventional formulated shampoo. My hair would just always be dry. I have just given up on trying all of these shampoos, so I now rely on my DIY hair cleanser. The next DIY that I just cannot live without and I find to be absolutely amazing, I use it at least every 2 days, and that is my homemade shea butter. It consists of organic shea butter, fractionated coconut oil and essential oil as well. And again, video is linked down below to how to make it, but I use this on my hair every couple of days to moisturize or to seal in the hydration that I have applied to my hair. It's a game changer. I've been using it for about 2 years, maybe a little bit more, and my hair just thrives from it. Honestly, I just can't do without it. It's definitely in my top 5. If you do not make your own shea butter, you need to start making it. I no longer need to use moisturizers from the store because all I need is the simple things in life. Give me a spray bottle with my DIY spray in it. Give me my shea butter. I'm good to go, babe. The next DIY that I just cannot live without, and this one, it may be a bit of a cheat for me to say this. There's numerous different oils. I couldn't pick just one because I need them all. So I've got my scalp oil, I've got my sealant oil, and I also have my hot oil treatment as well. And if you are subscribed to my channel and you've watched my videos or you're about to watch my videos, you're going to understand that my scalp oil has literally helped to thicken up my hair strands, and it has helped to awaken my dormant follicles that were not producing hair. So how could I not include my oils into my top 5? I couldn't live without them, so of course I had to put my oils in there as well. My DIY spray has also had to make it into my top 5. If you are hydrating your hair with water alone, babe, you're missing out. You need to be adding in things into your water so you can get the maximum benefits from your hydration. My spray that I love the most, there's 2 that I love, but there's one that I use more regularly than the other, and that is my glycerin spray. So I just simply have my distilled water and I put in some glycerin, shake it up, and I spray my scalp with this. I spray my hair, my ends. My hair just loves it, and so I hydrate my hair with this spray at least every 2 days. My hair is thriving because of it, so of course I had to put it in my top DIY hair care products. Last but not least is my DIY cleanser hair conditioner. So what I mean by that is I actually have a concoction. I have a DIY that consists of a cleanser and a deep conditioner all in one. So when I use this particular product, I don't have to condition my hair. My hair is clean. My hair is so soft and conditioned all at the same time. You know, I didn't think that that was ever possible, but it is, because I use this on a weekly basis and my hair loves it. And the ingredients that I use really help with stimulating my follicles, cleaning my scalp really effectively, washing my hair really well, but without stripping my hair strands. So it had to go in my top 5 because I just love the stuff. So yeah, it's super important for me to stay on my journey of only using DIY natural organic products on my hair, because my hair is thriving because of using these, and I'm saving so much more money from not being sucked in to the natural hair care marketing wheel. I'm just literally making everything myself on a budget, and it's working way better than any store-bought product I have ever used before in my life. So check out this video next and you will see just how I make my recipes. Peace, love, light and blessings to you and yours, and I will look forward to seeing you all again in the next one. Take care.